everyone! I'm going to another iftar. It's just Ramadan is about iftars with everybody, really, isn't it, Zaya?
Mostly me, to be honest with you.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm saying everybody, like I know so many people, but it's just Zaya. Do me balafine.
Oh wait,
okay?
do you know what? Someone commented on your video.
Yeah.
And they said it's not.
Wait.
What?
You watched my video?
No, do you know what? I just went on there for the
What?
comments. You know the Michael Jackson popcorn meme?
She is so rude.
I know, I don't watch any
You're
of them.
one of those, okay.
Anyways, and someone said it's not a Maliha video unless you say, you look stunning.
You look so stunning. Yeah, I do annoy myself. I mean, you look so stunning, but it's what I'm thinking in my mind. I'm like, shoot, I should say shoot. It's Ramadan. Zaya doesn't give a
What?
shoot. She cusses so much in
Why are
Ramadan.
you saying that on...
I'm only joking.
Why? Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, I'll be thinking, oh wow, they look stunning, and then it'll just come out of my mouth. I have, what is it, verbal diarrhea?
Weird vomit.
Verbal diarrhea.
No way, I think that's something they say on Mean Girls.
You have verbal diarrhea.
No!
What?
Weird vomit.
She is such like a uppity.
No, I'm not.
She's uppity. Do you know in Wales we have a place named Wales? We have a place named Howells. Okay, Howell School.
Why
it's
are you
known
bringing my
around
whole
Wales.
history?
And basically, Zaya went to Howells. Now, this is the uppity school. So Zaya was one of those.
You went to a
chicks.
jungly school, okay?
I went to Fitzallen, okay?
You went to
I was one of those that just went to Fitzallen. I turned out okay, Zaya. Like, my credentials are okay. They're okay, okay? Same as you, Zaya. They're okay. You did okay, Zaya. Anyways. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. I think we both did okay, considering we're such dumb shoots. I think Zaya is a bimbo. She is a brunette bimbo.
Hang on. Why?
Because you're a bimbo.
You're blonde.
Yeah, but you're the bimbo. You know, Zaya, you're the bimbo.
Do you want to talk about a maths revision? Okay. Do you want to talk about?
No, that's a different story. Okay, that's a different story. So yeah. Anyways, we're going
After
to
much debate. After much debate.
She finds herself so funny. So we're going to KO Kebabish. Very nice.
I thought we were going to Lialina.
Yeah, we were gonna go to this place called Lialina.
But Maliha made a massive fuss.
No, I didn't. Zaya was like, I want to go to Genie Pizza because we wanted to have greasy food, and Lialina was, you know, what is it? Lebanese food. Lebanese food is grilled. So. Everything's grilled. We didn't want grilled, did we, Zaya?
No, we want grease.
We wanted grease. Zaya, tell me what you.
Carbs.
Yeah, like tell me what you were gonna order in Genie Pizza.
I was gonna get
like
a chicken biryani with potatoes, no peppers, because they do this pepper thing, and I don't really like it.
I really like it.
I don't like the peppers in the biryani.
I really like it. I know. I was reading a review and somebody was like, "Who puts peppers in biryani?"
In it,
but
it's true though.
I love it.
It's like Mexican rice then.
Anyway, so what else would you?
The tandoori chicken noodles.
Oh.
The hot wings. The hot wings are the best. And lamb chops.
It's just 20 minutes. Is it 20 minutes left for?
Yeah.
It's about it's about 20 minutes left for iftar. So I'm like really feeling it, and I have like lip stains on my chin because I just did a review as well. So my husband was like, "Go to sleep because you look dead." I was like, thanks. He said, just have an hour nap, and I ended up having like about 5 hours nap. And then I woke up and then filmed with Caleb, and Caleb just killed me today. He just killed me. You guys need to see the behind the scenes of how it is to do a review with Caleb. He's like, ah! And I'm like, Caleb, it's okay, baby. It's okay.
That is literally what happens.
Yeah,
though. He just screams, and you're just like, oh, okay.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what to say.
I know.
What do
You
I say
literally
to
just
you?
stare at him. You're like, oh, okay.
Like you get mothers that go crazy on their kids when the kids, you know, little shoots.
Lol.
Lol. But I just don't know. I get confused when I see a crazy child. I'm like, okay, well, what do I do with you? So yeah, Caleb really takes the piss out of me. He knows he can take the piss out of me.
Yeah, he does.
But anytime he's like a little shoe, I'm like, should I tell daddy? At least he's scared of his daddy.
Is he?
Yeah, he
Because
is.
sometimes even then he doesn't listen to you.
Okay, Zaya, why are you baiting
Oh,
me out?
sorry.
I'm trying to say that he listens to his daddy. I wonder what you would be like a mama. I feel like you would be like me, but you would be strict. I just don't know why I see you as a strict. Let me tell you something about Zaya. Zaya tells Caleb to shut the hell up, so I know that she's gonna be...
that's really rude.
No,
I'm
she
gonna get
doesn't.
NSPCC after me. Or is it
No, she doesn't.
RSPCA?
She's like, that's like animals. Zaya is NSPCC. Zaya's quite like strict with kids.
No, I am stern. I will be
Yeah.
like, Caleb, no.
Yeah, she does
And you
it.
just stand there and you're like, tell him.
Yeah. Now, what I say to Caleb, I'm like, should I tell Zaya? he's like,
But he loves you though.
yeah, he loves Zaya. I don't know why, but he really does love Zaya. Just a few more minutes left.
I mean, we're
Do you
kinda
think
late.
Sabina and Simon are there already?
Yep, 100%.
Do you think so?
Yep.
Okay. Alrighty then. Alrighty. Just met Simon. Sabina's veil. She's rain checked it, but I really want to show you guys Simon's outfit.
It's really cute.
Hi.
Are recording something?
No.
It's okay, it's not important, it's fine.
Okay, I am so humongous. Look how much food I put in. Simon's like this presentable.
Quite a bit.
So we've just eaten now. I'm Muslim. We're going to pray Tarawih in Darul Isra. Do you know it's really funny because everybody says basically Darul Isra is DUI. I just laughed by myself. And Simon's like so Islamic right now too.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
We've become hijab.
Watch, come here, Skylar. What's up? Come here, let me. Watch. No. Call her.
Say Skylar.
Go like that. Can you do that? Can you do that, Kayla?
What's the dog doing? What's she doing? Okay, be nice. Say hello to her.
So today I'm making my chicken cheese bakes. Now usually I use mozzarella cheese, but I didn't have it today, so I'm just gonna deal with this one. My husband eats quite a lot, so it's for me and him. What I've used is 2 chicken breasts, and what I've done, I've sliced it like this way through the middle. I'm using cheese, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 chili, 2 eggs, 1 garlic. This chicken fry mix, if you don't have this chicken fry mix, don't worry, you can use plain flour, which I usually season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. That's what I usually put in anyway. I'm going to use just a chili and garlic sauce and barbecue chili sauce. This one is really nice. And I'm going to use soft cheese as well with milk. This is just 3 tablespoons of milk. Okay guys, so I have my pan with the oil heating up right now. I currently can't find my meat tenderizer, so just use a rolling pin, it's fine. Chicken breast in a bag, and what I'm just going to do is just hit it like this really with the rolling pin. Just a few times. It just cooks through much better then. Ignore the washing machine, guys. So I put in the 2 eggs and the milk, and now I'm just going to mix it through and then coat it with the chicken fry mix. I coat the chicken breast completely, and then just cover it through. It's the final day of wearing these nails, and then need to take them off by tomorrow. I'm coating it through. Completely coat it through. So the chicken is completely coated. Now what I'm going to do is just fry it. So the chicken is frying. Just make sure you completely cook the chicken through. Give it about maybe 15 minutes. What I tend to do, I cook it for a few minutes on one side, then I turn it to the other side and then cook it for a few minutes. I just cover it like this then, just so it cooks a little bit better. Okay, now what you do is just set the chicken aside and... Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna get the sauces and just go like this over it, and I'm gonna basically coat both sides. You could use mayonnaise as well, but I'll just use chili and barbecue. Okay, and then just with a spoon, here we go. And now you just set this aside whilst you cook the things that go on top. Okay, now I'm gonna blitz the bell pepper and onion and then fry it. So heated 1 tablespoon of oil in a little saucepan, and I've put in the mix in this. Now I'm gonna just cook it until it gets soft. Also, I've seasoned it with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. Next, what I've done is I've got a spoonful of the cream cheese and I put it in the middle of the chicken breast, and then I just cover the entire top of the chicken breast with the cheese, so you coat it completely through. You could do it really roughly, it isn't a big deal, so because it's going to be covered with the other stuff. You continue to do this then. Okay, so you coat with cheese, you put the pepper mix on top, then you add the cheese. When you add, okay, I'm looking 1 second, and then you add the cheese, and then you cover it with mixed herbs, which is optional by the way, and you scatter it with the chilies then. These two I've left plain. Caleb's eating one, so he might want more, so I've left these two free for Caleb. And I've placed it in the oven on gas mark 6 until the cheese melts, or until about 10-15 minutes. And this is the finished chicken and cheese done. Now you could serve this with salad and fries or wedges or sweet potato fries. I serve it with all the above really. So yeah, that's it. And this is what I usually serve it like. Another day, another iftar. I'm currently going to Sabina's house and she's doing Mexican for iftar, so it should be nice. I don't know what it is. I have such a migraine through like the whole front of my head. I didn't eat much because I was like hosting my iftar, so I'm just really hungry today. I don't think I'm supposed to say I shouldn't really say I'm too hungry, but and I left Caleb with Mama because my husband's going out for iftar with his friends, so yeah, mommy's night off, hey? Zaya's just picked me up. How cute does Zaya's abaya look? It's so cute.
Oh no,
I
take
love
it off,
this.
man. No, I don't look nice. The lighting's not nice. What the hell?
What was the thing Aisha was saying? The golden light?
Oh, she
Golden
said
hour?
is it sunset?
Apparently, about just an hour
It's like a
before
photography
sunset,
thing.
they say it's golden hour because the sun comes out and your highlight looks amazing, blah blah
Pops.
blah. But it ain't doing shit for my face, okay? It ain't doing nothing. Mina did Mexican night, not me. So I'm finally going to Mama's house basically. It's late as hell. I rang Mama about midnight and she was like, Caleb's still awake, so I have to go home. Sammy isn't allowed to get anything. Come on, Kay. It's like 5 minutes left to iftar and we're going into the restaurant now. Everyone's crazy with times. Just breaking our fast right now. Caleb's breaking his fast as well. Caleb, you enjoying your iftar? Yeah. Is it on me? Delicious. Look at all these foods. With the family lamb and lambs. Say hi guys. Guys, look what came in the post from the Coated Berry Company. I'm so excited to see these and I'm gonna demolish them when I break my fast, inshallah. Basically, the Coated Berry Company do chocolate covered dates and strawberries. Oh, not me. And this is the details. Alrighty. Oh, I didn't even see this message. Something sweet to say. Eid Mubarak. We hope you enjoy our chocolate coated dates. Your followers can quote Maliha and get 10% off orders over. Well, there you go. That's something for you guys. Hi, Caleb. Yeah, I'll give you one anyway. Let's open it. Okay.
Let's open it.
And let's open it. Okay.
Let's open it.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. These are just dates. These look incredible. Those who wanted to know, they're Majul dates and every single one of these flavors are completely different. So it just makes such a nice gift. I'm just going to smell these until iftar. Okay. Anyway, check them out. The Coated Berry Company. Thank you. Doing? He was trying to chase me with this. You cleaning? Yeah. Okay, well done. Mama's cooking up a feast right now. She doesn't want to speak to anyone because she didn't wake up for Sahari, so she's a bit dead today. What are you making?
Chicken karai.
No. What else are you making? Because you know Mama, she doesn't just make one dish. Those are wings?
Yeah.
It looks like a curry. Oh, okay. Very nice. Look at these two, Papa. Caleb's helping Papa do it. Oh, are you helping Papa? Oh, well done, Caleb. Well done. Mama's fully uncovered, so I won't be able to show Mama. But look what she's making. She's making Sammy's baby, my brother's baby. The Moses basket. And look how she did it. It's like complete vintage one. She's like...
Maliha, it's not complete yet, ma.
Yeah, well, you're doing it though. She still has some stuff left. This makes me want to have another baby.
Shut up.
Oh, okay. Look at this. She's finally stitched the bottom of it as well. Look, wait, okay. Okay. Let's do it a nice 360. Oh, well done. Okay, no. Very, very nice. I really, 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 really love this. Caleb, I just caught you red-handed. Mama's cooking iftar for Sadiq and Dina because it's Dina's birthday as well, so we're kind of doing a little surprise cake and whatever, but Mama's just mainly cooking for birthday meal. This has been looking at me the whole day. Oh my goodness. So Mama, what are you making today?
I look like shit and you record me.
Okay, so Mama, what are you making today?
I don't know.
You're just winging it.
Now I'm making a char.
Mama makes her own pickle, achar. This is how Mama makes the achar / pickle. You oven bake it and then what you do?
Cut all the sabziani, all the vegetables. Yeah. Half boil it and then put it to dry.
Which veg have you put in? Carrots, I could see.
It's turnip and carrot.
Carrots and turnips. Hi, baby.
This one I already
Give me, Mama.
I'll give it to you now, Bobo. Chard. Mama is putting, she squeezed, like, how many oranges did you squeeze?
2.
And she put, like, I think 20 spoons of sugar in here as well.
The maghrib kharabi, 1.5 spoons.
Okay. And then she's gonna put it in the fruit salad, which looks amazing. I'm dying for this fruit salad.
People just do fruit salad with pear and apple.
What did you put it inside?
I put every fruit.
Mama's put kiwi, mango, strawberries,
Passion fruit.
passion fruit. Passion fruit, wow.
Persimmon.
Persimmon.
Yeah, strawberry, cherry, apricot.
Wow, this just looks incredible. So this is what Mama's cooked. She's made salad, her own pickle, chutney. This is the trifle that I'm gonna eat every single bit of. Biryani, cauliflower, gobi, saag, oh, and green beans. Her own juice as well, lovely. And wings and kebabs are gonna get cooked soon as well. And look at this shit. OMG. She's like 10 months pregnant. Mama is like 1 minute left. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, come dunga. Okay. Only 2 left. Is iftar now. How you doing, bro? Iftar time.
Isn't it? Is that a new dish?
Mama, thank you very much. Love you. Hi, Papa.
It's okay.
I enjoyed your iftar.
We should give a little glass.
This is what the kids do to Dina's birthday cake.
Took the damn carrots, man.
Took the damn carrots.
The carrots are the best bit.
Yeah, the babies. Dina, did you have a nice cake day? Beautiful. Yeah, I shouldn't really. I know I shouldn't. Anyways, I look rubbish, so I don't really want to show myself. I have a huge headache as well. So I will see you guys next time when you can see my teeth.